Hello everyone. These are the questions from complex numbers, useful for both EAMCET and JEE mains. Here I am applying super tricks. Let us solve the first question. If z is a complex number satisfying z power 4 plus z cube plus 2z square plus z plus 1 is equal to 0, then modulus of z is equal to. Here the given equation is z power 4 plus z cube plus 2z square plus z plus 1 is equal to 0. Here I am breaking 2z square as z square plus again z square. Z square plus z square is 2z square. Now I am going to consider this part as one unit. And from the first part I am going to take z square as the common factor. Z square, in the bracket we left with z square plus z plus 1, and again same factor z square plus z plus 1 is equal to 0. Again taking z square plus z plus 1 as the common factor. Now in the second bracket we have z square plus 1 is equal to 0. Mind you, the roots for this equation are z is equal to omega and omega square. For this equation, the roots are z is equal to plus or minus 1. Right? Now, let us calculate the modulus of z. There are 4 roots in total because the degree of the equation here is 4. Now, we have 4 roots, right? Let us calculate the modulus of z for all the 4 roots. Modulus of omega, value is 1. Value is 1, modulus of omega. And second case, modulus of z is equal to modulus of omega square. Again, modulus of omega square is 1. And in the third case, modulus of z is equal to modulus of 1 is equal to 1. And in the fourth case, modulus of z is equal to modulus of minus 1 is equal to 1. In all the 4 cases, we have the modulus value 1. So let us check the options. Clearly, third option is the correct option. That's it. Now, let us move on to the next question. This is the second question. Square root of 4ab minus 2 times a square minus b square times I is equal to. Here, by solving this question, it takes time. So that's why I'm going to consider two values for two real numbers, two values for a and b. So let us take a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1. So this value will be 4 times 1 times 1 minus 2, 1 minus 1 times I, under root 4 minus 0. So value is plus or minus 2. So let us check the options by substituting a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1. Let us check where we will get plus or minus of 2. So in the first option, here itself 1 minus 1 plus I times 1 minus 1 divided by 2. That is equal to plus or minus of 0 plus 0 divided by 2. The answer is 0. Fail. And second option, plus or minus of I plus 5. That's it, because b is 1 plus 1 minus 4. Clearly one can say that second option is the wrong option. Plus or minus of minus 3. Here it is minus 3 plus 5. 2 plus I, no doubt. Second option is the wrong option. In the third option, let us substitute a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 minus I times 1 minus 1 is equal to, this value will be 0. So answer will be plus or minus 2. No doubt, third option is the correct option. So here plus or minus 2, here plus or minus 2. Third option is the correct option. Even then, let us check the fourth option. plus or minus of I plus 1 minus I times 1 minus 1, right? This value will be 0. So answer is plus or minus of 1 plus I. So clearly third option is the correct option. This is the super trick, right? Now let's move on to the next question. If omega is the complex cube root of unity, then a plus b omega plus c omega square by c plus a omega plus b omega square plus a plus b omega plus c omega square by b plus c omega plus a omega square. Here there are four options. Let us solve the given expression value. A plus b omega plus c omega square. From the denominator, we are going to take omega as the common factor. So, omega times a plus b omega, right? Plus c by omega. And in the second factor, please do not touch the numerator, right, as it is. A plus b omega plus c omega square. And from the denominator now, we are going to take omega square as the common factor. Now, in the bracket we have a plus b times 1 by omega square plus c times 1 by omega. But mind you one thing, 1 times omega square value will be 1 because the product of the cube roots of unity is 1. So omega square is equal to 1. Omega is equal to 1 by omega square, and again omega square is equal to 1 by omega. These two are important properties. Let us apply these two properties in this form. Please do not touch the numerator. Again, a plus b omega plus c omega square whole divided by omega times a plus b omega. Now the super trick. C by omega. 1 by omega means omega square. So its value will be c omega square plus, again numerator is same, a plus b omega plus c omega square divided by omega square is same, a plus b times 1 by omega square is omega from this one. So b omega, and again 1 by omega means omega square. So c omega square. Now see, the numerator and the denominator are identical and hence gets cancelled. Numerator, denominator are identical, gets cancelled. Now we left with 1 by omega plus 1 by omega square. Again 1 by omega is omega square from this one, that is equal to omega square. Again 1 by omega square is from this one, 1 by omega square omega. But we knew that 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Therefore, omega plus omega square is minus 1, and hence the result will be minus 1. So clearly the option will be second option.